Welcome everyone to Excellent Minds channel, where we aim to share with you tips and guide on Excel essentials. I encourage you to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on new and exciting tutorials. Today we will talk about our 10 of our essential Excel keyboard shortcuts that are very practical with your navigation. First, the CTRL+Home. CTRL+Home key combination is almost effective on all interfaces like browsers, creative programs, and Office applications. This is a favorite as it navigates you from your current selected cell to the first cell of the active worksheet, or as what I call the home cell. Hence the name CTRL+Home. This is especially useful when you are currently in the very far rows of the active sheet where scrolling back up is inefficient. You'll find yourself using this key combination frequently as your table's headers are always on the first rows. Control+End key combination obviously is the opposite of Control+Home. This is in reference to the resulting change in the selection navigation. Now it navigates you from your current selected cell to the last cell, intersecting the last row and column that has data. Now usually it's the lower right hand corner of your table or range. This is very useful, especially when you need to navigate to the last record or row of a very large range of table just to update a new record, for example. Here's a tip. You can use Control+End to hunt for unnecessary cells that may have data in them hiding down your table range. Control+Page Down or Up combination is a must. Now this combination navigates you to the next sheet and the previous sheet with Control+Page Up and Control+Page Down respectively. Of course, this can be done by mouse clicks, but it is nowhere as instant as the said Control+Page Up or Down combination. Control+Shift L is useful to instantly enable or disable the filter drop-down button on the table or range headers. Now that we mentioned headers, the efficiency is multiplied further when using this hotkey together with the Control+Home combination. That's because you would most likely need to navigate to the first row to enable the filter on your headers. Alt+Shift+F1. Adding a new sheet is another common task in your daily workbook activity. This is simply done with the hotkey of Alt+Shift+F1, a 3-key hotkey, but all the keys are located conveniently close to each other on the standard keyboard layout anyway. Alt+H, then O, then I. This key combination executes the auto-fit column with the format of a selected cell. You will likely find your values wrapped up in its cell all the time when working on new columns or entering new values in your current columns. Still more efficient than double-clicking the cell's right border. Control+Spacebar. This is used to select the current active cell or cell's entire column. After using this hotkey, you can hold the Shift key while hitting either the left or right arrow key to expand the selections either leftwards or rightwards, respectively. Shift+Spacebar. This is used to select the current active cell or cell's entire row. After using this hotkey, you can hold the Shift key while hitting either the up or down arrow key to expand the selection, either upwards or downwards, respectively. Control+Shift+Arrow Up selects the column cell starting from the active cell or cells upwards to the first row cell or cells of your data range or table. CTRL+Shift+Arrow down selects the column cell starting from the active cell or cells downwards to the last row cell or cells of your data range or table. CTRL+Shift+Arrow left. This selects the row cell starting from the active cell or cells leftward to the first column cell or cells of your data range or table. CTRL+Shift+Arrow right. This selects the row cell starting from the active cell or cells rightwards to the last column cell or cells of your data range or table. As you get the hang of these hotkeys, you will find yourself discovering other good hotkeys like CTRL+Shift+End or CTRL+A, which are both used on selecting the entire range or table. That is it for now for today's Excellent Minds tips and guide on Excel Essentials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, stay excellent.